To set an alarm on your Apple Watch, click the digital crown and look for the app that looks like an alarm clock. That big wake-up card at the top isn't a normal alarm. It's tied to the sleep and bedtime mode on your iPhone and Apple Watch. If you have set up a wake-up alarm as a part of your sleep schedule, it shows up there. Below that, you'll see a list of your existing alarms, which you can toggle on and off. To create a new alarm, tap the plus icon on the bottom. Turn the digital crown to set the time. You can switch between hours and minutes by tapping the screen. Once you're done setting the time, tap the check mark to save your alarm. Another quick way to set alarms is to use Siri. You can say things like, "Hey Siri, set a repeating alarm at 6 a.m. every weekday." If you tap the alarm in the list, you can change a variety of things like the alarm time and the dates when you'd like this alarm to repeat automatically. It's also good to know that Apple Watch alarms do not sync to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Even though a lot of your data is shared through iCloud, alarms are intentionally device-specific. You can also label the alarm to give it a name or a category, so it's easy to differentiate from other alarms. To give it a name, you can simply talk to your watch or tap the bottom right corner to open up the keyboard. There's also a snooze setting and the option to allow this alarm to break through silent mode, and that's alarms on the Apple Watch. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and check out my Apple Watch playlist for more guides like this.